Afternoon, guys. Just wanted to post a quick video and show you guys this. May come in handy for some of you guys. Homemade brazing rod holder out of PVC. All 3/4 PVC. All you need is a cap. 20 inches, 24 inches of PVC pipe. Threaded fitting for your cap, threaded cap. And just a female threaded fitting here. And the other end of it, just regular PVC you slide in and glue into. Holds a whole pack of brazing rod. Thought it'd be something quick to show you guys. I haven't been able to film much lately. I've been on jobs where I can't really film anything, so figured I'd at least get something up for you quick. And maybe to help some of you guys out there. You can really take a beating. You throw them in your bucket or whatever you gotta do. So, just thought to show real quick, and hope you guys are having a good week and everything's going well. And as always, if you want to see some more, like and subscribe. Thanks guys for watching.